Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Another week in the market. Hope everybody had a nice weekend and stay safe. But it's back to the grind. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Let's get to it. Another green day today. Thinking the war starting to end. That I heard Trump say if he don't open up the little waterway by tomorrow, he gonna start bombing like bridges and infrastructure and stuff. Gonna start bombing the cities. I don't know, man. He said a lot. I mean, I'm paying attention to the wall, but I'm not at the same time. Got my own troubles. I ain't got a lot of troubles, but I got my own problems going on. But urgent buys, urgent sales. I put a sell limit order on Wendy's. As you know, I tell you, I'm about to be swing trading that. Cause seem that's what everybody doing today. Everybody swing trading. Nobody really investing in nothing outside of S&P 500s and ETFs. ETFs about the only thing people not really selling. But single stocks people are trading. Got a sell limit order in at $7.18. That's what it hit. Went to 7.13, 7.18 and started coming down. Like I say, people selling it, man. They trading and selling it. When it's dipped down about 670-ish range, and they go back up to about 722, 738. Think it's having trouble getting over 741. And they come back down to the $6 range. So that's what people doing. They buying it and selling it. So I'm about to do the same thing. Average cost right now is $7.16 because I've been buying and selling it. I got a sell limit order in right now for 135 shares that I brought at 687, 670 something, and I think 788 on down. So gonna sell those, rinse and repeat. Lowering my average cost, making a couple dollars too. I had a high average cost, but as you see, I've been buying and selling it, lowering my average cost. Um, that's about everything I got to sell order on. Let's go in and get the trading. Don't really have any buy limit orders, anything triggered. I should have got some SVOL last night at 1528, but I wasn't sure because they was talking about he was saying he was gonna bomb the bridges and the infrastructure if they don't open up the strait by tomorrow. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. The market can come down. It was actually expected for it to be a red day today. That's why I didn't buy any because I thought it would have went lower. But anyway, QQQI got some recurring like $2 a day. Y'all know this pays out every week. Dividend pending. $35.04, 11.5 cents a share. I'm definitely doubling down on this one, especially when it get in the low 20s. I lowered my average cost down to $23 from about 27 bucks. So taking advantage of this dip, IWMY. QQQY is options on the NASDAQ 100 for you to know. Says it up top, just in case you didn't catch it. IWMY is options on the Russell 2000. I've been definitely buying this below the $18 range. Got an average cost of 1921, now 348 shares. I want to get 500 shares of IWMY and QQQY. Just to start, SVOL. Want to get me 500 shares of this one here. Also, I did go in and buy like $8 worth already. I put buy limit orders in at 1545 and 1528. 1528 for 10 shares. And I'm gonna go back. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. 1545 ain't too far from 1556. Ain't that serious. Average cost is 1616, so I'm good. Another one I'm doubling down on is SPIT, the S&P 500. I already went and bought 10 bucks of this today. Got sell limit orders or buy limit orders at 1561 and 1578. So just dollar cost averaging on in, riding it up. ACP, I brought 50 shares of this in my Weeble at 505. So if you want to go get some of this, you can. I'm gonna put another buy limit order in here with ACP at 505. Pays 8 cents a share every month. See buy limit order 5.05. 3 shares for this portfolio here. Tesla getting whooped today. Make sure y'all get this. It's a long-term play. Heard something about Jamie Dimon saying it can go down 60%. I didn't read the article. I just know it's down. I can do my homework later. So Tesla's down. So while Tesla's down, you need to buy TSLY. There's options on Tesla. Down 2% today. This the time you want to buy. So I'm gonna throw extra $5 on there. I got it on like $1.25 today recurring. This pays out every week. HDV, I started a new position of this in my Cash App portfolio. Got this on the $1 recurring right here. It's at 134. It's the high dividend ETF. The holdings in it, it's similar to a SCHD. But I got Exxon, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, Merck, Progressive, Chevron, AbbVie, Philip Morris, Home Depot, Coca-Cola. So I started a position here. I'm going to be buying that every week. BTCC, Bitcoin must be having a decent day because it's back above $16. I buy this at 15 and under. It's 1587. It hit today. I'm gonna go get me one share. This pays out a dividend every week, every other week. I'm sorry. It's buying up cash flow. This usually runs up to the mid $16. So you can probably, if you can catch this about $16.50, you can make $15.50. You can make your $1 share on it. But basically just for cash flow. Got ORC, Orchid Island, 12 cents a share every month. Got down to 703 today. I'm at 718. I'm going to go in at 703. It's going to be a nice swing trade around about 760, 770. It's definitely a buy at 7 and under. Like I say, 12 cents a share every month. That XLF, 49.45, 49.85. Definitely go get you some of this. Financial sector ETF. Top 10 holdings right there. Berkshire, Visa, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, MasterCard, Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, American Express. So get you some Capital One, 2. That's one that's not in there. Got a 52-week high of $260. Got Earn been having a good day for the last week. Paid 8 cents a share every month. Get me 5 shares at $4.50. Well, I'm about to say $4.56. Before this go back above the $5 mark. This usually hangs around the $5.15, $5.25 mark. Definitely set up your swing trade with that. All right, we ain't got time for this lagging today. Now let's get on Monday. Got things to do, places to be. Let's roll. All right, gonna go with KLIP clip. This pays, I think this money paid 51 cents. It usually pays in the higher 60s. Definitely gonna go get some more of this, ride this up. It's definitely a buy at these levels. And that's what I'm doing, man. Buying up cash flow, trying to hit me some swing trades and keep it. I want to make more money on capital gains. I already got my dividends set up. Telus got down to 12.82. This communication Canadian communication company. Got to watch out. You got to pay the ADR fees because they are out of state. Remember, they in Canada. I got an average cost of $13.38. Dividend yield is 9.39. SRLN pays 25 to 28 cents a share every month, $39.98. Should have just got a dividend. Gonna get a dividend from them tonight. Go get you some of this. RPT. Definitely one I'm gobbling up at these prices. 10.75% yield, 52-week high, 1812. All right, Nike. We're calling this the zombie stock. People are buying it. I just want to bring down my average cost. On dollar cost average in every day right here at these prices. If you want to lower your average price, it's time for you to do it now. They got weak sales over in China. Nike does. Flowers Food got down to 808. 12.01% yield. 52-week high 2023, which it's never going to see again. Especially not no time soon. But it's a dividend play to hike their dividend every year. DEA. Another one I'm buying. Just a dividend play, nothing special about it. They rent out houses to the government. Not houses, but properties to the government. 8.3% yield. Pay out every quarter. HRL, Hormel Foods. 2186. You'll get you some of that. 5.26% yield. They actually a dividend king. PCF. 552. Down to 549. Dividend play. Now I don't load up on nothing. Just be dollar cost averaging on there and buy full shares of my Weeble portfolio. All right, let's go check out traps, man. We get out of here. Like I say, but shocked to see a green day today. I thought it was going to be red. But gonna see what's going to happen. Starwood, nice one to have. Quarterly paying REIT, 1720. Why am I buying this? Dividend yield, 11.15%. 2105 is the high. 52-week high. I sold MetaFast at $10. I should have held on to it, but I just wanted to lower my average cost. Now I'm at $11.87. Like I said, they buying it and selling it, so you might as well get with the program. Trying to show you my history in this, what I sold at. I put a stop limit order in at $10. I wanted to get at 1022. I should have held it, but it's a volatile stock. But I do have other shares right here. That's why I took those. Those were shares I brought cheap just to lower my average cost. Still got 238 shares, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen with it. If I go back at 950, I got a buy limit order already there waiting for it. I need to sell HPP. That's the next one I'm about to be swing trading. Waiting on AFCG to hit over that 290. Which way I'm at. I just get the quarterly dividend for now till it does. GSBD, I got to sell limit order at 9. I think it's 947. For for 195 shares. My bad. Just got a dividend wait for 192.12. And I also need to, just to show you how I do it. All right, I set the, what's the date? I set the sell limit order on March 20th. So anything past March 20th I brought, I need to add them to the sell order. I made it March 20th. So the 23rd, I brought another 25 shares. So 25, 50, 60. Man, I got over 100 shares I need to add into this. I'll do this at the end of the video. But that's how I'm rocking with it, man. Keep the remaining shares for the dividend and keep it moving. Like I said, keep going up and down, up and down, up and down. When people buy, the stock go up. When people sell, it goes down. So you don't have to ask if people selling. That's just how the system works. Microsoft, MSFO pay dividends every week, doing options on it. I don't have time to learn options and be doing all that stuff. I'd rather pay them to do it, and it works for me. NVDY. Another one, you can catch this at 13 and under. Go ahead and buy this. You know NVIDIA not going anywhere. It's dollar cost average on in. Need to hit that trade on Wendy's today, though. I'm going to keep the remaining shares, see whether they ride up or not. Bull and Hood doing good. SoFi back above 16 bucks. Gonna hold that to at least 20. A little bit of discount on Fiat today. I take it. Pays out every week also. DKL been getting whooped. CLM, CRF. Got buy limit orders in on those, so not worrying about them. And that's it, man. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Well, not the weekend. I'm sorry. Enjoy your Monday, man. Go get your money.